Hey, want to learn how to make up to $35,000 a month just from playing around with rain sounds? That's exactly what we are going to discover in this video. So if you have been searching the web for online income work from home opportunities, I'm going to show you not only how to make money on YouTube with rain sounds, but also how to make money on YouTube with rain videos. And we're getting started right now. So here we are on YouTube, and as you can see, I had done a search for relaxing rain sounds, and here are just some of the videos that have come up. We see the first one is 10 hours of rain sound relaxation, ultimate stress relief, deep sleep, meditation, yoga. This particular video has 11 million views. That's a lot of views. The next video we see, it's a live video. They're actually streaming live right now as of this recording. Name and title of this one is Soothing Rain to Sleep Instantly. Rain sounds for sleeping, insomnia, relax, raining. Wow, he's got about 2.8 thousand people watching. That's 2,800 people. Pretty good for a video that I don't know how long it is, but I guess it's got to be at least 24 hours because it does say live 24/7. All right, so let's actually go into one of these channels and see what they're actually making. So let's start with this one channel here, Relaxing Sounds of Nature. And we're going to head on over to the handy dandy Social Blade. I like Social Blade. Social Blade, if you don't know, is a website that will give you statistics on such sites as YouTube, Twitch, and others. But we're going to use this right now primarily for YouTube. And I have searched already for Relaxing Sounds of Nature. And let's scroll on down, and it says that they are making at least almost $4,000 a month. How would you like to make $4,000 a month making rain videos? I know I would. But if we head on back to YouTube, we look and we see the next one, which is this live video. It's got me intrigued. I want to take a look at this guy, and this is made by a channel. The name of it is The Relaxed Guy. Let's check him out. And back on Social Blade, here is The Relaxed Guy's channel, Soothing Nature Videos. Let's take a look. Now he's making, whoa, this guy is making $35,000 a month just from rain videos. Think you could do something like that? I know you could. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hop back on over to my computer, and I'm gonna show you where you can find some of these sounds so you can start making these exact kind of videos. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and search for free, royalty-free sound effects on Google. The problem, though, is you're not gonna be sure if you're gonna be able to use those free sound effects for commercial use. So why not just go ahead and pay for the exact thing that you need? It's not gonna cost you a lot of money. I use a service called Transcribe, and they have not only an incredible library of music, but also an incredible selection of sound effects. And I know that they have some sound effects for rain. So let's take a look and see if we can find some. So here we are inside of my account on Transcribe, and we're gonna head on over to sound effects, and I'm gonna just type in rain and see what comes up. And we've got a whole bunch to select. So I'm gonna look for the first thing that catches my attention, and you know what? This generic rain loop soft, that looks great. It's about a minute, and we can use this to create our own video, just like these guys have done on their YouTube channels. And by choosing this, why I would choose this one, there's not a lot of work that you have to do audio-wise. You can already just use this song and copy and paste it again and again inside of your video editing software, and it's already made to be a loop. So it's gonna be seamless, and it's gonna sound perfect. But I know what you're saying. You're saying, Jory, I don't know where to get all of these different videos of nature and rain. Well, I've got you covered on that. You can use a free source like my favorite. One of them is Pexels. Here we are at pexels.com, and we're gonna just type rain. And you can get whatever type of image you wanna use. Here's just a few quick selections. I think these are perfect. Like, we could use this one, we could use this one. I may even use it as the thumbnail, who knows, in this video. But let's go and see if we can find a video of rain. Look at that, that's perfect. We could use this to make a video using the rain sound. And as we go back to YouTube, I'm gonna show you exactly how these guys are doing this. Let's head on back so we can quickly analyze their video so we know what kind of video we're making. So if we head on back to relaxing sounds of nature, let's use this channel, for example, and take a look at his videos or her videos. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl or a group of people, but they seem to have a different format of videos, meaning they've got some that are 8 hours long. They've got some that are 2 hours long, some that are an hour long. So this gives us a good indication of the kind of videos that we would have to create as well. So I would probably start off making a video that's at least 1 hour. And look, when we just hover over some of these, you can see here is looping video of moving through the forest. These seem to be still images. So this is the looping and these are not. So look, they've got a combination of either looping videos or a still image. So I just showed you where you can get that from. You can grab that kind of stuff from here from Pexels. So I showed you where to get the sound, showed you where to get the video. You're practically set, but if you want to know exactly how you can put this all together, I put together a video entitled How to Make Money with Your Own Music Channel. You can watch it right over here. My name is Jory, your content creation counselor, and I will see you on over in that video.